Welcome to Webstyle Press. In this video, I will show you how to delete post on TikTok. To do that, open TikTok app, go to your profile, scroll down to find post or video that you want to delete. Tap on that video. On the video, press three dots at the right side. By the way, before deleting it, you can also download it. So to delete it, scroll options at the bottom. Scroll to the right. Find delete button and press it. Confirm your decision to delete it permanently from TikTok and it will be deleted. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.